Welcome to my channel, Texas Country Wife. My name is Valerie. I hope you'll enjoy your visit here with me today. Today's video is for the Christmas Cheer Collaboration 2022 being hosted by me, Texas Country Wife. Anyone can participate just by submitting their video to me, TexasCountryWife@gmail.com, so long as it pertains to Christmas or wintertime. Let's get on with my video. I'm making a delicious appetizer that my family enjoys around the holidays. It can also be served for breakfast or lunch. I am going to show you how I make cheesy sausage balls. You will need some baking mix or Bisquick. I get mine at Aldi's. I've got 2 cups in here, and you'll want a pound of your favorite type of breakfast sausage. And you'll need some shredded cheese. This is all I have on hand today is the Mexican blend. That'll be fine. Cheese is cheese, and cheese is good with meat. All right, I put 1.5 cups of cheese into my baking mix, and I got that all incorporated in there. Just want to get it mixed in. I just use my hand. Okay, now we're going to get this pound of sausage worked into here, and then I'm going to use my handy dandy cookie scoop to make some balls and put them on this cookie sheet, and then we'll get them baked in the oven. Okay, so here's what my meat mixture looks like, and that does take quite a bit of work and kneading to get that into the meat. One tip that I can give you, and that I've done in the past, and I should have done it today, was to use your stand mixer, but I am in a hurry, so I just did it by hand. But it is much easier if you use the stand mixer. Let me use my cookie scoop here and get these out onto the cookie sheet, and I'll show you what that looks like. Ta-da! I got them all done. Okay, this round I got 32 sausage balls out of that 1 pound of Jimmy Dean ground sausage, 2 cups of the baking mix, and 1.5 cups of cheese. Now we're going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are golden brown. Then I will drain them on paper towels, and they are ready for eating. And there we have it. Sausage balls. Perfect for brunch, lunch, breakfast, snacks, appetizers, the holidays, whatever you want them for, whenever you want them. And they're so simple and easy to make. And I like that they make this delightful brown crust on the bottom of them when you bake them in the oven like that. Bon appetit! Enjoy!